sorry I can't be with you in person tonight or at Parliament Square on the 7th. I'll be shifting then, on the road, just like our ancestors have done for centuries before us, and something that if the Police Crime Sentencing and Courts Bill is enacted will soon be denied to our brothers and sisters in England and Wales. Although the bill will have no legal standing in Scotland, it will have an impact up here as our communities and the communities in England and Wales regularly shift across and between the jurisdictions. As such, it is a challenge to the cultural rights of all Gypsy, Traveller and Roma communities residing in the UK. Not only will the bill criminalise nomadism, an integral part of Gypsy and Traveller culture, and as such protected and recognised by international law. For example, the United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child from 1989, where in Article 30 states that countries in which ethnic, religious or linguistic minorities or persons of indigenous origin exist, a child belonging to such a minority or who is indigenous shall not be denied the right, in community with other members of his or her group, to enjoy his or her own culture. And the International Court of Justice's legal opinion of 1975 that nomadic tribes should be considered as having in the relevant period possessed rights, including some rights relating to the lands through which they migrate, adding that territories inhabited by nomadic peoples living as organised societies, as Gypsies, Travellers and Roma do, were not to be considered empty, nor open to state acquisition on the basis of occupation. In doing so, the ICJ recognised that nomads had legal ties with their territories, confirming then the legitimacy and legality of nomadic practices. Based on these and many other examples of nomadism as a human right, it should be clear to us all that the bill is contrary to the universality and indivisibility of human rights instruments, including, of course, the UK's Human Rights Act. Perhaps this is one of the reasons why the current Westminster administration is so keen to rescind it. This bill, have no doubt, is a challenge to all citizens' rights to freedom of assembly, peaceful protest and cultural practices. As such, this is not the time for standing alone. Only by standing together can we defeat this prejudicial bill. I've been truly heartened to see so many people show solidarity for our communities at this time, and I thank everyone for their support and continued commitment to assisting us in realising our cultural rights. Together we are and always will be stronger. Thank you.